Hi guys, so quick tutorial po muna tayo, and for today's video para po ito sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam kung paano i-unrestrict yung mga profile na na-restrict natin before. So by the way, ano nga ba yung restrict feature sa Facebook Messenger? So this feature is designed to help users control interactions with people they don't want to unfriend but still want to limit contact with. So when you restrict someone, they can still see your public posts and interact with you in comments, but their messages go to your message request folder. So in this way, you can choose to view, delete, or approve their messages without them knowing if you've seen them. So it's a way to manage interactions while maintaining a level of privacy and control. So yun po ang kagandahan niya. So instead of blocking someone, so much better na din na i-restrict mo na lang sila. Lalo na kung naiirita ka na at ayaw mo makita yung mga posts nila, so this is the better way. Okay, so first thing to do is go to your Messenger app. So, i-click lang natin itong nasa pinakaitaas na may tatlong line. Yan. So, i-click natin yan. After that, i-click din natin itong sa may right side. So, ito. So, after natin maklik yun, i-drag lang natin siya pababa hanggang makita nyo itong privacy and safety. So, i-click natin yung privacy and safety. And then, go to restricted accounts. So, dito natin makikita yung restricted accounts. So, yung lahat ng mga na-restrict natin na profile or accounts, dito natin sila pwedeng i-unrestrict. So, andito yung mga na-restrict ko na account guys, yung mga pasaway ko ng mga friends sa Facebook. So, ayan, hanapin nyo lang yung profile nila dito guys. And then, after that, pwedeng i-click nyo lang yung profile name nila and then, may makikita kayong option doon na unrestrict. So, i-click nyo lang po yung unrestrict and then after that, babalik na siya sa normal. So, pwede ka na niyang ma-message, pwede mo na makita yung message niya and yung mga post niya. So that's it guys, ganun lang siya kadali. And by the way, don't forget to like and follow or subscribe to my channel para sa mga susunod pa nating mga tutorial videos. Thank you so much and have a good day.